Hi everyone, it's been about a week since I played the blues pattern videos. Maybe not a week, maybe 5 or 6 days. The family was sick, we had some snow days. So I'm gonna revisit the blues pattern and I'm gonna switch keys. I feel like I'm cheating by playing in C major because my hands just naturally fall into it. So I'm gonna switch to A flat because I've never done an A flat blues. So it's gonna be A flat, ba 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 ba, to C sharp, to E flat, to C sharp, to... Okay, good. Yeah. That sounds good. Now what's the blues scale on A flat? It's... So I'm trying to figure out what the blues scale is for the key that I'm in. So if I'm in A flat, it's A. The minor pentatonic, penta meaning 5, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what it sounds like. It's the 1, it's the 3, it's the 5, the 6, and the flat 7. That's how you build it up. Now, the blues scale, you can play the 1, the minor 3, up to the 3, right? That gives it that bluesy feel. Right? Rolling up on that minor 3rd to the 3rd. To the minor flat 7. Right? Da-da-ba-da. Anyway, let me try and do some solos over that pattern. Oh, it's hard in A flat. Yeah, so I'm trying to incorporate two things together. I guess this is kind of a two-part lesson. One is about mastering the blues rhythm. I think I got that. What I should be doing is trying to play the blues scale in the key that I'm in. Trying to come up with some interesting licks. I'm thinking of David Gilmour, the guitarist from Pink Floyd. The way that he writes solos, it's documented in the Live in Pompeii, is he sits down with a pen and paper and his guitar, applies to the accordion too, and he comes up with things that sound good in that key. So if we're doing a blues in A flat, I would do this. So I would go, what were we doing before? Ba 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 ba. There. Yeah. And then I would probably do it again. That sounds good. Now, I would do another pattern, right? Yeah, so I would connect the two. And David Gilmour, again the guitarist, writes down ba 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 ba. And then the next one. And then he plays them together. So it would be Now, because I didn't write it down, I didn't remember it, but that's how he builds out solos, and that's how I would practice. So take 5 minutes and practice those blues scales. right? That's how you build up your blues solo technique. And again, this is 12-bar blues. If you Google 12-bar blues, you'll see the pattern. It's just 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 5. Right? So 1. Da 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 ba 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 da da 4 ba 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 4 ba 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 1 ba 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 1 ba 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 5 4 1 5 5, and you repeat. So that's what I'm soloing over. There are some backing tracks that you can download that just repeat that 12-bar blues in every key. And you sit there and you can solo over them. It's really great for practice. Just Google backing track 12-bar blues. Lots in this lesson, but I hope that this helps you advance your blues playing, and I hope it shows you again how I go about learning a new technique. So lots of ideas, and now it's distilling them down to how do I get better at doing the blues on my right hand. I think I got my left hand down. I'm gonna practice my right hand and put them both together. I hope you have more time than me to practice and that your results are a little bit better. Like, subscribe, check out accordionlove.com for songs and sheet music. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you. Yeah.